Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to be tearing apart the boat motor. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So far I already got the manifold off the boat. And what I'm going to be attempting to do right now is take the head off, because we got to check the head for cracks at my parking class. So yeah, I got to remove it. And then after that, we're going to obviously take out pistons and all that. So let's start removing stuff. Okay, so we just finished taking everything out of the block. Here she is. Wait, hold up. Forgot my dipstick. Okay, now we're good. But, yeah. If you guys haven't, subscribe, by the way. That's just a random throwing thing there. And, yeah. I'm gonna stop the video here for today. The motor is all stripped out, and, time to go do some measurements and all the boring stuff that I'm not gonna video. And then we're gonna pressure test the head and the manifold, and then after I get all those results, the next video will be on reassembly and reinstallation in the boat. So stay tuned for that, don't miss out on that. If you like this video, hit the little like down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, bye.